Hi, my name is Berkay. I will explain our products. We are at the Integrated System Europe 2023 in Barcelona. I'm working in EAE technology company. So let's learn about our Rosa series. We have we are using our Rosa series in industry, commercial buildings, residential buildings, smart homes, villas, big palaces, some hospitals. In a nutshell, all of places. We have four types of Rosa. First one, Rosa metal. It's brushed surface. You can see in detail on there. We have a large color of ranges. What I mean, we have natural gold, bronze, and anthracite. Also, we have Pictus one. It's also metal, but painted one, not brushed type. We have two glass types, crystal and solid. The main difference between them, crystal has some folds, solid has unique glass, so it seems so nice according to our client feedbacks. Also, solid has much button option according to the other one, the crystal one. We have thermostats and keypads. It's Rosa Solid thermostat. The icon color option is white. Also, we have crystal thermostat. Depends on client request. We can make production for the different RAL colors, but we have minimum order quantities. Also, we have another models in Oria. Oria is plastic push button, not its touch and glass. We have status LEDs on it. It's the most cost-effective and the cheapest solution. So we are using them mostly in hotels, in villas, also in some company factories. The second advantage, it's the much button option. What I mean, on keypads we have 6 folds, and each fold has 2 buttons, so totally 12 buttons. And you can make, if you use like one button like a toggle on and off, it means just with one switch you can make 24 different controls. So it's so excellent. This is the short information. For the more information, you can visit our website, and that's all.